Hey, oh, sorry about that. I keep running out of room in my camera here. For my little memory card. So, moving on to the Bissell now. So, here we go. Well, there you have it. Leave your comments and let me know what you think. This versus test is really nice and comfortable, so let's get started with the Hoover again. Now for the Bissell. Well, there you have it. Leave your comments and let me know what you think. Again. So let's go ahead and do the hose section. We'll see if we'll get a very good hose section here. As you see on this top one right here. Wow, lovely, beautiful. And the first time. Now for the Hoover with Redux. Alright. You did a good job there. Thank you all for making a movie. Sorry we ran out of 2 cameras out of my 2 memory cards. So let's see if the fuel's hot enough. Nope. Got hot. And here. Yeah, this feels hot too. So, thanks for watching.